I'm not using mobiles and I'm tired of all the noise being stuck in here. Me being your Cathy. Some perfect. Let me get into this place. We all play together like we're fun. Hey, together, Cathy. Toka boka. Fortune by Introvable Ganodo. Contracts by Need These guys are all in. We're not doing the old thing yet. Silly Bird Cafe? Tomper Cafe? Well, it's because the video did not start yet. Sentry Detectors by 9 Crobo Forlo. Alright, I should speak Japan for this. Lateral like I loaded. I also aligned this. I also mind the construction building. Just speak English here. Right now I'm speaking Japanese. Dark Ladders by Nintro O's. Blue Ladders by 9 Grow plus Flagler. And now let's start. 3, 2, 1. Wait, one more thing. This is an old movie, so this is an old show, so it might sound weird. It's weird, Tomper Cassie. Hey! The construction builder. Shush! I made this contraction. It's called a by meaning. It's called the slide contraction. It's supposed to you can go through and this is my course. This is a course we have. Did you see how to fly the first few times? Because that gives me longer exercise. See? Unless I do it too much. These are one of the first janky setups of all time. Because, yeah. Okay, now back to the show. Okay, let's go back to Actually, this is the first video ever made. Just pretend it's like that. In my ear, bro. Oh, the focal. What is that?
Yeah.
God, this was Oh no, I got a portal stuck! Ah! Move. Oh no! Oh no, no. Hey, they think us out the voice for us. Nice. They're back to normal sound effect. Let's go up here. We'll go over here.
Ow.
Hey! And work more on the construction. If I could make it good. Dancing in the water again. Our voices are fully back to normal. This is still the oldest movie ever made, so you might not see most of it.